All alone in the cold, a tiny kitten shivers under a broken streetlight. The rain pours harder, puddles forming around her tiny paws. Cars splash by, but still, no one stops. Seeking shelter, she climbs into a torn cardboard box. Peeking out, she hopes for warmth, hopes someone will care. Then she feels someone approaching, and finally, it's her mother.
Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I created this entire story using AI. So, let's get started. First of all, we need to give a prompt to ChatGPT. I've already written a prompt that explains my story along with clear instructions. After that, ChatGPT generates multiple scene-based prompts for me. This is a short story, just to demonstrate the process, and ChatGPT creates separate prompts for each scene. Now, we copy the first prompt and move over to Gemini. I paste the prompt there and let Gemini generate an image. For this story, I want to keep the same tiny kitten throughout, so it feels like one continuous character instead of a new kitten in every scene. Gemini does a great job creating a consistent and beautiful image. Next, we copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini, and generate the second image. Then we repeat the same process for the third and fourth prompts, copying each prompt from ChatGPT and pasting it into Gemini one by one. Each time, Gemini creates an amazing image for the scene. Once all the images are generated, we download them. Now we open Grok. Before doing anything else, I go to the settings and change the appearance from dark mode to light mode, because that's what I prefer. After that, I click on Create Image. By default, it's set to image generation, but we want to create videos, so I change it to video. Next, I select the aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a short video, I choose the vertical format. Then I click on Attach and upload the first image of the cat. If we don't give Grok any prompt, it automatically analyzes the image and creates a video on its own. As you can see, it already looks really cute, but there's no rain yet, and we want rain in this scene. So I add a simple prompt like rain and press enter. After a short wait, Grok generates a beautiful rainy scene with the moving cat. I download the video and move on to the next image. For the second image, I upload it and give a more detailed prompt, like rain intensifies, puddles form, car splashes water. Grok generates the video, but the cat doesn't look scared enough, so I refine the prompt and add cat looks scared. After regenerating, the result is exactly what I wanted. Moving forward, I upload the third image where the kitten is inside a cardboard box. Grok starts generating something automatically, but I guide it with a prompt like, "Kitten climbs into the cardboard box. Cat tumbles in fear." This time, the video turns out really well. For the fourth scene, I upload the same cardboard box image again and give a new prompt. A big cat's shadow looms over the box. To add more atmosphere, I refine it further by adding, "Rain continues." After regenerating, the scene looks dramatic and works perfectly for the story. For the final scene, I decide to let Grok do its job without giving any prompt at all. And as you can see, it creates something really good. Exactly what I was hoping for. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.